Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you have a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. The market is pumping. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the Bitcoin technicals. Start on the weekly. Always big cup and handle is forming on Bitcoin on the weekly charts. If you take the 2021 high, and then this big drop, and then where we are right now, a little bit of correction, which we already had, and we have a giant cup and handle that takes us 115. Volume is still growing. Last week's volume finished higher, which is good news. Not as high as the previous month, but higher than the Easter weekend. So volume technically is dropping. Bitcoin indicator bot fired blue by February 2023, and it is still blue by now. Let's go closer daily. Fourth to fifth wave is in play. Symmetrical triangle on Bitcoin, and which is a bigger overall bullish pennant, looks like it's about to break out on Bitcoin. You've got this pole and then pennant forming, which moves the base of the pole this distance here. So my target is 88k for Bitcoin. Let's go closer. Stochastic heading up. Actually, let's go back on the daily. Each candle represents one day. Stochastic heading up. Volume a little bit weak, but it is the weekend. It looks like it's about to run, in my opinion. You can see it's at resistance. We might get one rejection, but unlikely. Usually the move of a symmetrical triangle works 70% of the move. So I was expecting the breakout should actually be today or tomorrow, 9th of April, today. 9th of April breakout. Let's go closer, 4 hourly. We got rejected a little bit. I would still take the same trade on hopefully a pullback to support 66247. But it's most likely unlikely that we pull back. If you want to take riskier trade, could take it here. 67600, stop loss 66553. Take profit 88k and 115k. Risk to reward is 46 times, risking $1,049 to make $48,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. With 10x leverage of $483,000 profit. Opening at 67602 on a pullback. That's where the gray line opens, as I teach you in the crypto master course. Red line is the stop loss. Take profit is the green lines. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Let's see if we get a big push out of here. On the hourly, stochastic oversold, and it looks a little bull flaggy. So let's see if Bitcoin goes for its run right now. Over on Bybit, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, I'm going to show you my trades, my account, $800,000 account. Under the video, go down below, sign up to Bybit, $30,000 bonus. It's the best exchange. Use this link to get the bonus and join the gurus. 2, take the crypto master course and all the courses, otherwise you're gambling. It's $333 for the crypto master course. Make sure you take it before you start trading, or you'll just lose all your money. Then join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you. And if anyone's thinking that I'm just selling courses, this is my Bybit account. In here, I have $797,000 in here, $797,390. Yesterday it was 786. Day before was 747. My peak in this account was 920,000, but I took out 100,000 to seed a company, so I'm still close to the all-time high. My Bitcoin funding fee still 0.01, still very low. My Bitcoin trade $22,000, and it only cost me $100 a day to keep my trades open with this low funding fee, which I'm surprised about. Ethereum, $12,000 in the profits, 60 Ethereum trade, 4 Bitcoin trade. This trade is $255,000 on the Bitcoin trade. This Ethereum trade, $193,000. So total around $450,000 on those trades. Let's go into Ethereum. And don't forget, join us in the Telegram. Right now, there's 113 of you online. They're showing trades, talking about potential moves, sharing charts. What Ripple CEO predicts the crypto market cap will double to 5 trillion by the year end, which will be amazing. I also think that's about to happen as well. Don't forget, follow me on Twitter, on X. I have 84,900 followers. Some reason my follower count goes down on X. It's like been shadow banned. Finland has 3.3 million saunas for a population of 5.6 million people. A sauna for every 2 people. That could be why it's one of the highest, healthiest countries. Magicraft MCRT has a competition right now for an AI characters. Look at this sumo character, amazing. Ronan, he looks so freaking cool, and you can just see, really happy that she won. She deserves it. Mary won the $5,000 which is going towards her tumor treatment, brain cancer treatment, which is amazing, and many people supported her. You have plenty of time to sleep after you die. Dogecoin starting to pump. Let's go into Doge. Actually, let's go Doge and Ethereum if I can quickly. Going into Ethereum, 3431. Ethereum ready to go. Looks like bouncing off strong support. Turning up, it looks like. Fell, yes, it came down, activated my trade from yesterday. I would keep the same trade. And if this rising triangle plays out, rising wedge, it builds up pressure like this and breaks out 70% of the move. That target will be 4,334. So I'd open the trade at 326, 3262, stop loss 3180, take profit at 48 and 62. Risk to reward is 37 times on Ethereum. What I think is going to happen on Ethereum is something like this. Breakout here. Going into the halving, which will be amazing. Let's check out Dogecoin. Dogecoin bull flag. This also looks like a small bull flag here. You can see that it's forming something here on Doge. Bullish. Looks like a small bull flag. You have pole, then you have the flag formation, and then usually a breakout the distance of the pole. So Doge I would take on a pullback to strong support here. We're starting to have strong support here on Doge, like that. Stop loss underneath the major support, or tight stop loss if you want to take a less risky trade. Take profit 29 cents. That's the trade I would take on Doge. Pulling back 018, stop loss 17. And that's the updates on the trade. Again, my account 797. It reached 800 and something yesterday, plus the 100K that I already took for seed investments, which is beautiful. That's my updates on Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, and a turn on the ball. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.